Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my another YouTube video. I know ये बहुत लड़कियों की favorite haul video होने वाली है because it's obviously Savana. And guys, let me tell you, like ethnic wear में मुझे पता है मैं Amazon और Myntra से shopping करती हूँ mostly, but in western wear I think मेरी जो go to place है ना, that is like literally Savana. I have shopped so big this time. मैंने almost पता है कितने की shopping करी है, almost 20,000 की. Like seriously, 20,000 came in this box just to uplift और upgrade my summer fashion, summer styles. काफी trendy pieces आपको बहुत ही अच्छे rates पे मिल जाएंगे. अभी Savana की anniversary sale is live and it's so shocking. आपको पता है उन्होंने क्या करा है? During this anniversary sale, they have tracked like all my orders in the past and given me like a wallet cash. I've got a like surprise wallet cash of up to rupees 5,000. Isn't that insane? Out of nowhere I got this and I was so happy. And just in case you don't know, I always have a coupon code of Savana because मैं वहाँ से इतनी shopping करती हूँ. So I will put my coupon code right on the screen here. You can use that to get extra discounts. Honestly guys, मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी unbox नहीं करा except for this top. So it's gonna like pure unboxing right in front of you guys. So I'm not gonna waste time. Let's jump to the video. Before we jump to the video guys, I have ordered some new lipsticks from Stays Beauty. These are like Stays 3-in-1 lipsticks. It has like 3 shades in one lipstick. You're gonna like love this one. Let me show you. So I put like one shade on my upper lip and the other shade on my lower lip, and when I mum my lips, the third shade comes out so beautiful. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? लिपस्टिक इतनी पोर्टेबल है कि आप इजीली इसको कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हो. It's enriched with avocado oil to nourish the lips. It stays for up to 12 hours, you guys. और ये transfer proof है and waterproof है. It comes in 5 different variants. मैंने सारी shades मंगा लिए हैं because सारे इतने pretty थे and they're so affordable as well, guys. Now that we're all set, guys, what are you waiting for? You can grab these lipsticks right away and ये आपको Amazon, Nykaa and Purple पे मिल जाएंगी. और अगर आप Stays Beauty की वेबसाइट से परचेज करोगे तो you can use my coupon code Shivani2025 to get 15% off. Don't forget to check out the link. मैंने बहुत ही cute और Pinterest की चीजें ऑर्डर करी है. Number 1 is the bag. जब भी मैं इधर-उधर ट्रैवल करती हूँ ना, I have a lot of things to carry. So पहले मैंने एक denim bag मंगाया था. You guys loved it and I also love this one. Like a zip चाहिए थी but इसमें zip तो नहीं है. But अंदर से it's all like spacious, guys. I love the color print. बहुत ही like sturdy quality है. It's a good tote bag. Cost me rupees 1190. Not bad. Okay, so next मुझे एक बहुत ही Pinterest color दिख रहा है. It's a top. It's a peplum top. Nice. Very aesthetic color, summer color. But पीछे ना knot आएगी. बहुत ही cute. So जिनको नहीं पता ना, ये Zara का dupe है. And Zara में I think it cost around 3,000, 4,000. ये मैंने 1290 का लिया है, guys. 10 on 10 for the color. And इस top में lining भी है पीछे. You cannot wear a proper, normal type का bra, but you have to wear like a nipple tapes or something नीचे because वो पीछे से वरना show होगा. And guys, ये मैंने medium size में मंगाया है. Next देखते हैं. Ooh, I think I'm gonna love this. Recently, like creator को पहने हुए देखा था in like a podcast session, and I found the similar one, and I'm so excited about this top. I love this thing. Like I hope मेरे को बस यहाँ से अच्छा fit आए. ये satinish material है, see through भी नहीं है, and ये इतना crop length भी नहीं है यार. मतलब decent length है. It's a long length, so nice. Price है 790. This time I got like a lot of like pot sets and bottoms also. Wow, the length is so good. I was just hoping ये cropped, मतलब ये नीचे से length ankled now, and it's not because I think आजकल ना wide leg trousers चल रहे हैं with a little bit of long length. So ये front में कुछ इस तरीके का knot है. I think black is a very versatile color. So मुझे लगता है भाई और कोई पैंट हो या ना हो, black तो होनी जरूरी है. It's the kind of wide leg it goes down. The material of the pants is really nice. Size guys medium लिया है. मैंने almost सब कुछ इस बार medium ही लिया है because I just wanted to keep it more summerish, more loose fit and everything. I think ये वाला ना इसके साथ भी बहुत अच्छे से जाने वाला है. Don't you think? Oh, next. I'm gonna open this now. Firstly, I'm in love with this color, guys. I don't think I have anything in this color. This is like butterish yellow. It is like very textured. It's like a t-shirt with a little bit of like bottom detailing. मतलब ऐसे ना हल्का सा stretchy है, and then it goes like a little slant. And इसके साथ guys इस तरीके के like wide bottom है. I am absolutely in love with this outfit. I'm not even kidding. देखते ही आपको पसंद आ जाते हैं. This one has to be one of them. It is stretchy. It is elasticated. काफी like lounge wear outfit है, and इसकी भी length काफी लंबी है. I love this quad set, and this is very rare, very unique. So this costed me 1490. Bomb. The outfit is bomb. Guys, next up I ordered one of the things very trendy. It's a black band actually. मैं ना इतनी जगह ढूंढ रही थी कि मुझे कहीं ऐसा broad band मिल जाए, and then I finally found it. Let's wear it. It just costed me around like 100 or 200 maybe. This is how it's gonna look like. काफी cool लगता है, especially when you're like, you know, like traveling somewhere, so that it just gives me like a sporty vibe. It's the time to show you the cord set. मुझे ना ये cord set बहुत पसंद आ रहा है on the model, so I hope अच्छा हो. थोड़ा जैसे कॉर्सेट स्टाइल टॉप होता है ना, उस तरीके का है, एंड इट्स अ लिटिल डिसेंट, लाइक लंबा है लेंथ में. पैंट्स इज रियली रियली कूल. लाइक दिस इज द इलास्टिक एरिया. मुझे बस एक ही डाउट था कि लेंथ छोटी ना हो ज्यादा. अगेन ये मैंने मीडियम में ही लिया गाइस. काफी यू नो लाइक इंग्लिश कलर है आई वुड से, एंड दिस इज हाउ द वाइड इट गोज. साइड में ऐसे बॉर्डर्स आ रहे हैं, तो क्लासी आउटफिट लगने वाला है पहनने के बाद. द आउटफिट कैन स्ले गर्ल लाइक समर्स के हिसाब से. इट्स सो कूल. का प्राइस था गाइस 1690, एंड मुझे बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लग रही है फॉर सम रीजन. इट्स सो हॉट टुडे. The kind of ganji that, you know, it's a kind of must have. Very Pinteresty, because I think it's gonna fit me so right, and the fabric is so good, yeah, and it's not cropped. That's the good part. Even can go with your low waist bottoms, high waist bottoms, and it's a staple piece that you have to have in your wardrobe, yeah. Paid like 490 rupees. Zara वगैरह पे जाऊंगी ना, these things will easily cost me like more than double. Savannah, you're doing a great job. Okay, next I got another summer Pinteresty top. This is so colorful. I see myself like wearing this with blue denims. This is how it looks. आप देखोगे, आप notice कर रहे हो सबकी length कोई भी ज़्यादा इतना cropped, excessive crop नहीं है. I love this ruffle sort of detailing. It literally gives that summer kind of girl vibe. So can't wait to wear it. It's costed me 890. Not bad at all. Guys, next छोटी छोटी चीजें देखते हैं. I remember मैंने charms order करे थे. So there's this girl, there's this creator like Anandita, and she has this thing for like charms and stuff. तो मुझे ना उसको देख के बड़ा ऐसा हो रहा था कि मतलब एक तो charms heavy ले लेती हूँ. I ordered this one. This is nice. Really like this one. मैं अपनी कार की keys पे ये लगाने वाली हूँ. Very girly. Then I ordered this. It's a wallet actually. So this is the wallet, guys, and yeah, it comes with the pocket, a zip. Cute. And this is how it looks. It has like a cherry detailing on top. This is just gonna be my go-to. Next I got these glasses, guys. जैसे तो मेरे पास लेंस कार्ड के अच्छे खासे glasses है, but this one I thought थोड़े से different हो जाएंगे. What do you think? Like it looks nice? I don't know. I think अच्छी लग रही है ना? Otherwise I always have these black frames and I'm just bored of them. So good one. 3 whites है basically. This and this. This is like a top with the front knots, and then it's a halter neck. It's a backless actually, but it's very sexy. It's very hot. Again, can look great with blue denims. Can't wait to wear this from like my coffee date or something. I'm traveling very soon. तो मैंने सोचा like अगर मैं किसी beach location पे जाऊँगी ना, so then this outfit can just shout out. This is like a skirt, very flowy summery skirt. This is like a crop top. Okay, इसकी length थोड़ी छोटी है यार. I don't want this length. Maybe मैं इसके साथ थोड़ा लंबा top prefer करूँगी. But this is the cropped length. Half of it is lining and नीचे ऐसे flowy है. इसके साथ अगर मैं ये top भी पहन लूँ ना, तो भी बहुत ही pretty लगने वाला है. It is gonna give me such like a nice Italian vibe. Obviously मैं Italy travel नहीं कर रही हूँ. Last piece of this haul. Like, are you guys having fun, guys? हर किसी को चाहिए होते हैं अच्छे बेसिक टॉप्स. So this is a tube top, nice. So ये ऐसा जाएगा, and then front से ना guys ये ऐसे V जा रहा है और हल्का सा gathered है. You see it? कपड़ा 100 on 100 है because it's so nice and it comes with the lining. Whites तो can never go out of fashion. तो मुझे लगता है जितने white tops हो ना कम है. I am literally waiting to wear this like with blue denims. तब आपको fit पता लगेगा. And I got this in size medium, guys. This was for 490. It's gonna look really cool. So with this we are almost done. Box is all empty. So I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. And as I told you, like Savannah की अभी anniversary sale चल रही है. So they are giving you like really good wallet cash of up to rupees 5,000. I never knew that shopping can be this rewarding. In case आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, any of these product links, I will put everything in my description box. So don't forget to check that out. And if you like this video, hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with the next video very soon. Till then, bye you guys.